How's it going? Jesse here with Volt Sound Solutions. Today we're going to do a little bit more of an in-depth review of the Crown xls2500 power amplifier. Let's see, this one here, it's right at the 120 volt variant. It's going through two filter chokes and a on and off relay, and it looks like it's got good shielding from the AC. There's a rectifier there. I'm not going to bother taking that off. These capacitors are 200 volt 1800 UF, and I'm going to assume they're like a computer power supply, and every other SMPS they're in series, so you get a 400 volt there. Now let's pull out the microscope real quick. We're going to go down here and take a peek at this chip and the transistors for the power supply. So bear with me while I do the focus here. It's not going to be the best. Oh, that got really lucky. There's our chip. It's a 738 XEU4F is more than likely the date code, and that's a Q905 notation. Now the transistors are the, let's see if I can get that a little bit better, 20N60A4D. I'm gonna have to edit that in the comment. 20N60A4D. And then we're gonna go back out. There's the integrated circuit chip here, and then we'll go over to this one as well next. So this one here, see if I can get a better angle on it. Bear with me a second here. LNK32D6. That's enough time to decode that. And then the other one that's over here is a, let's see if I can get a better angle on that. No. LM393. That's a voltage regulator, and then it's going through an optocoupler, H11 L1 V4490. Take you off the microscope. I'm going to come over to this side of the board here. It does look like it. Okay, no SD card. That's okay. We'll continue. It does look like it's got a voltage regulator here. The integrated circuit chip here for the output drive is going to be the '980502. And that's going to feed a pair of, so I get a better transistor picture. Forget which way is upside down on this. I should make a little notation. 51N25. Now there's a digital circuitry here that is for the digital processor. It just has a basic high pass and low pass filter, but you can set them digitally. Back here, I'll go ahead and notate these two chips, starting with the 16 pin, then going to the 8 pin. I believe these would be for input or something. I wouldn't know. Maybe these are analog to digital converters for the DSP. If I can get a better view. TL494C. I'll try to clean that off a little bit, see if I can get it better. If not, we'll throw some thermal paste on there. TL494C. And the 8 pin would be hard to read. Let's clean that off. If not, I'll put some thermal paste on that as well. Let me read that now. Nope, let's try some thermal paste real quick. See if we can't get the number to pop up. Might be a little luckier now. Look at that trick. LM358. Alright. I haven't really used this amplifier heavy yet. I will test it. Everything should be working in it. But I'm not sure how this compares to the Class AB amps yet. The notations on these resistors down here that are in a huge bank. I'm going to be able to decode that off the top of my head. 222.1 ohms, 221 ohms, I forget, I have to look it up. I need to verse myself a little bit better with that. We'll make a little chart on the wall. And then 104 J250s for the caps. And I'm just going to assume these are in parallel or series parallel configuration to handle the needed current there. Yeah, that's pretty much the overview of this guy. It does look like there's a little inductor, L903 inductor. Maybe it is a rectifier, but it's probably just an inductor for that 5 volt supply for over here. I'm going to assume that's what this is running off of, 5 volt. It might be getting its supply from over here. I haven't really poked at it too much, but I'm going to go ahead and put the transistor clips back on. These transistor clips were very easy to get off of here. A little flathead and a little wiggling came right off. So it's a rather nice design to work on here. Just like the car audio clips, so nothing too crazy. They're almost a little easier to work on in my opinion than the car audio stuff. But yeah. Well, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to look in the video description for my contact information. As with always, you guys have a good day, and I'm always happy to help the community in any way I can, so feel free to shoot me a message. I appreciate everybody else's time they've taken with me as well to get me to the point where I'm at with all the knowledge that I have. You guys have a great day.